Development presets are a way for you to save developments and apply them to other images. This is especially useful if multiple images were taken in the same environment, at the same time, and in the same lighting conditions. To make a development preset, open an image in Develop mode. In this example, I'm using an image that's a part of a series because I will be applying the development presets to other images. As an example, I'm just going to alter the color saturation and hue in this image. I'll navigate to Color Wheel and make a selection of the blue that's in these flowers. Let's adjust the hue to turn this blue into a magenta. Additionally, I'm going to quickly add an S-style tone curve using the tone curve section. And we'll also add a very quick post-crop vignette to this image. Okay, so the point being is that I have a series of adjustments that I want to apply elsewhere. Once I have these adjustments, I can click the top cogwheel and then click Save Preset. When I do so, a box will pop up that asks me to select the various adjustments I want to include. I can select the color wheel under Color, the tone curve under Tone Curve, and the post-crop vignette under Style. Or if I have a bunch of adjustments that I want to include, I can simply use Select All and unselect if that's actually faster. From here, I just need to add a name. I'm going to name this development Sarah's Wedding Adjustment. Once my developments are complete, I can navigate back to Manage mode. Select the other images in my preview window, navigate to Batch and Batch Develop, navigate to the new development preset that I just made and run that development. And as you can see, I can change the view mode to actually see how these adjustments have impacted my image. Notice the obvious color change in addition to the slightly more saturated appearance of the image and the vignette that appears on the corners. It's just that simple to add presets to your images. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.